In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a calendar in Outlook. If you've ever needed to share your schedule with coworkers, clients, or family without sending individual invites, publishing your calendar is a simple, secure way to do it. We'll do this in Outlook on the web, so open your browser and sign into your Outlook account. First, head to your calendar. In the top right corner, click the Settings gear, then choose View All Outlook Settings. In the panel that opens, go to Calendar, then select Shared Calendars. This is the hub where you control how your calendar is shared and what others can see. Under Publish a Calendar, choose the calendar you want to share from the drop-down. Many people have a default calendar named Calendar, but if you've created additional calendars, for example, a project or team calendar, make sure you select the right one. Choosing the correct calendar here ensures you're publishing only what you intend to share. Next, set the permissions. This determines how much detail others will be able to view. If you need transparency, choose Can View All Details so viewers see your event titles, locations, and descriptions. If you want to protect your privacy while still showing availability, choose Can View When I'm Busy. That shows only block times without revealing what those events are. Think about your audience and the type of information that's appropriate to share. When in doubt, start with Busy Only and adjust later. When you're ready, click Publish. Outlook will generate two links for you, an HTML link and an ICS link. The HTML link is best for viewing your calendar in a web browser. It's read-only and doesn't require the viewer to add anything to their calendar app. The ICS link is for subscribing from other calendar apps, like Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or even other Outlook accounts. Subscribing with ICS keeps the viewer in sync with your changes, though updates in other apps may take some time to appear depending on how often they refresh. Copy the link that fits your audience. If you're sharing with someone who just needs to check your schedule occasionally, send the HTML link. If they want your calendar to appear alongside theirs in their calendar app, send the ICS link. As a best practice, avoid sharing full details if your calendar contains sensitive information, and consider testing the link yourself in a private browser window to confirm it looks right. If your organization restricts publishing or you need to stop sharing later, return to the same Shared Calendars page to change permissions or stop publishing. That's it, your calendar is now published and ready to share. Thanks for watching.